हे गाइस, माय व्यूज चर्चा आर फॉर बोथ काइंड ऑफ फ्रेंड्स। इनके लिए जिन्होंने सीरीज देखी नहीं है, इनकी एक्साइटमेंट पक्का बढ़ेगी, और इनके लिए जिन्होंने सीरीज देखी है वो बोलेंगे वाह बेटा सही पकड़े हैं। क्योंकि चर्चा ही तो है, हमने किसी को कौन सा नंबर या रेटिंग देनी है। आप और मैं एक जैसे ही हैं, चिंता मत करो। अब आप पूछोगे कैसे? अरे सच में यार, ये लो आपको मैं प्रूफ करके दिखाता हूँ। आप अपने रिएक्शंस इस कमेंट बॉक्स में नीचे डालिए, मैं उस पर वीडियोस बनाता हूँ और आपका नाम लेता हूँ। सब भाई लोग मिलके गपशप लगाएंगे, आपके व्यूज़ को आगे लेके जाएंगे। So guys, first thing first, top 5 superhero movies are not those which are sensationalized because of big production houses and their big marketing, PR gimmicks or budgets, but those which made an impact, makes both of us think and discuss, series which we want our kids to see or our friends to see and learn from them or just become good human beings. तो ऊपर वाले क्राइटेरिया को याद रखना। सुपर हीरोज आर सपोज टू गिव अस स्ट्रेंथ, सम लेसन्स और लिफ्ट आवर स्पिरिट्स, और कुछ को तो होप मिलती है। जैसे हमारे कुछ फ्रेंड्स होते हैं, वो किसी के साथ लटक लेते हैं तो वो भी इनके साथ कुछ सुपर हीरो की फिलॉसफी के साथ जुड़ जाते हैं, एक प्रोटेक्टर की होप की तरह। सो पहला जो बहुत ही इम्पैक्टफुल सीरीज रहा है वो है एमसी का जेसिका जोन्स। आर वी टायर्ड ऑफ सीइंग मेल ब्रिगेड्स ऑफ सुपर हीरोज? मार्वल लाया है पाथ ब्रेकिंग जेसिका जोन्स। She wasn't born with super powers of enhanced strength or ability to take flights, but got her power actually in a car mishap. She is loved by audience because she's a strong, independent woman and she kicks everyone's ass. Super strength is just an add-on. लड़की से पिटाई एक नई तरीके की बात है पर्दे पे। She is a true badass at work as well. That is, as a private investigator. She uses her power to resolve cases of people, usually those who witness some kind of unjust. Why this series is special? She rose from the abuse herself from a villain called Kilgrave, a villain with mind controlling abilities who controlled her to do killings and whatnot. Not only she overcame King Kilgrave, but also backed herself to open a PA firm to earn her livelihood respectfully. It is shot very intelligently because there is no excessive use of superpower, but or rather a woman battling to win over cruel or let's say insane people in this world. You would want to see this with your sister, daughter, wife or girlfriend to make them strong. They kick you back in good humor, but that is okay. एक आधी लात वात खा लेना। एक बार तो जेसिका जोन्स मैडम ने ल्यूक केज की भी पिटाई कर दी थी, हु हैज़ अनब्रेकेबल स्किन, अनदर सुपर हीरो, उसको भी पेल दिया। ही इज़ लाइक अ ह्यूज बिग गाय। सो गाइज वॉच दिस फॉर गर्ल पावर। Second in the list is Daredevil, a blind superhero. You would say a blind superhero. A superhero is supposed to have pitch perfect skills and abilities. Daredevil, aka Matt Murdock, rose from his disability of lost eyes and developed other senses to succeed. Enhanced hearing abilities gave him radar-like senses, so he could do things more than a normal man. That is it. He does not have any other special ability, yet he fights like no one else. Jumps from one roof to another, and can duck and dodge bullets. Sound waves gives him enhanced sense of direction, speed and velocity. Close your eyes and maybe imagine a train coming towards you. The sound will grow on you. ऐसे ही कुछ लॉजिक दिखाया है उसकी सिनर्जीज के लिए, पर वो ऐसे ही गुंडों की पिटाई करता नहीं दिखता। ही ट्रेन्स लाइक हेल इन द रिंग। ही इज़ अ मार्शल आर्ट एक्सपर्ट, बहुत मेहनत करता, पसीना बहाता है, हार्ट बीट सुन लेता है और उसी से बता देता है कि किसी इंसान ने सच बोला है या झूठ। एंड ही यूजेस हिज स्पेशल एबिलिटीज टू डिफेंड पीपल एट कोर्ट who are subdued as a lawyer with his friend Foggy. So watch it for a blind man winning over his disabilities. A great learning. Third, MC's Luke Cage. There's a long history of racism in America. MC did a brave thing to show a black man as a superhero. Luke Cage possesses superhuman strength and stamina. He also has extreme dense skin and muscle tissue, which renders him highly resistant to physical injury. So now Luke Cage also did not get his abilities by birth. Luke Cage को ये abilities मिली एक एक्सपेरिमेंट के द्वारा। उसके जो स्किन के टिश्यूज़ थे वो फोर्टिफाई होके ऑलमोस्ट उसको बुलेट प्रूफ बना दिया। Luke Cage is an honest man. He wants to serve the people of Harlem, wherein most of the black really resides. ही डजंट किल एवर, सो देयर इज लॉट ऑफ नाइसनेस इन हिम। यार एमसी की बहुत सारी बातें होगी, अब डीसी के बारे में चलते हैं। सो फोर्थ ऑन द कार्ड इज डीसी एरो, specifically the first 4 seasons. I really loved the first 4 seasons, how it was built up. So no special powers with this man, but he's still a superhero. Yes, DC has created some characters with certain attributes like this. It is quite clever because enhanced powers aren't acquired or a result of an experiment in a lab or something, but genuinely earned by upgrading your own skill. So maybe Batman is another example. Arrow, or let's say Oliver Queen, is a brat, rich guy, and is left stranded in an island for years. You have to see the series why. He earns a skill of various kinds of combat and bows and arrows that makes him special. Stranded hoke, he rediscovers a new purpose in life and tries to save his city from various kinds of villains. Watch it for a common man becoming a savior. Fifth, I am not okay with this. नहीं, series का नाम है ये. Another woman-led superhero film, let's say a girl superhero series. She's a teenager and a rebellious one, as we know them generally, but she has some kind of anger issues as well, and a real anger issues. उसको गुस्सा बहुत जल्दी आता है, maybe because her father died in a mysterious circumstances and she's trying to cope up with it. Now she starts discovering some powers like enhanced strength and mind controlling ability. So her fights are not like an Avenger. It's very, very different. The story is very different. She's trying to cope up with her powers, angers, and adulthood issues at school and home. So it's very, very relatable. Teenagers would love it. Relationship and friends is another issue that she's trying to tackle. So regular issues, but the girl has powers. So she is like a volcano. She feels the rage. She can actually blow someone up. Yes, literally blow someone up without touching, only through her mind. Watch it for this confused teenager who's exploring both her powers and adulthood. A very rare combo. We haven't seen such a kind of a superhero who's not trying to save a city or a country. मूवी शूवी लवर्स, आगे आने वाला है स्पेशल ऑप्स पे चर्चा, जो कि हॉटस्टार पे रिलीज हुई है. देश प्रेम के लिए बने रहो. सी यू टुमारो.